My daughter was asking me this question yesterday. Papa, do these large language models, the chat GPTs, the Geminis of the world, do they really think? Many times when you've asked a question, it talks about thinking. And it's a very interesting question. So I thought I will record what I told her because this is a misconception that not only general users who do not technically understand what's going on, even most of the technologists that I speak with, they have great misconception about LLMs and thinking. So simple answer to this question, do LLMs really think? The answer is a clear no. No, they don't think. As you would have heard or read many times, large language models are basically pattern matching machines. They begin writing something, and based on the training that they have had over billions and billions of documents and pieces of information, they are predicting the next word, one word at a time. Okay? And then magic happens and this entire answer appears. Okay? Now, when you ask a question, you would have noticed that at least the newer LLM version, they seem to understand what you are asking. So if I ask the question, hey, what do I do if I'm traveling to Bangalore for 2 days? You will see that the way ChatGPT or any LLM responds would be, you cannot but agree that it is thinking. It will listen to your question, it will break it down in structured manner. It will ask, okay, oh great, so you are traveling to Bangalore, wow, it's a nice city, so you are trying to understand what to do because you have limited time. All an indication that it understands my intent. It is thinking, it is structuring or breaking down my question into individual parts and then systematically answering. So is this an indication that it is thinking? No. This is just an illusion that it is thinking. Basically, what the LLMs have done is that while they were being trained, they have gone through millions of pieces of information with the questions like, what do I do if I am going to Bangalore for a few days? And based on those patterns, it knows that the user is expecting information like, oh, some tourist places to visit, where to eat, where to stay, what to do, what not to do. So, what seems like an understanding of your question and, in fact, your intention, and in a very systematic way, articulating what you should be doing, and the answer seems super personalized to me, is just happening because it has seen so many patterns and it just knows how to respond to a question like that. Hopefully, this description was useful. We can continue this conversation over the comments if you are interested.